Dear friends, in the last video we had seen that the first part of pesticides, in which we had discussed what are pesticides and how are they classified. As I already told you that this topic is there for at least 15 marks in the examination with option. ऑप्शन सहित हा परीक्षेमध्ये तुम्हाला 15 मार्काचा टॉपिक आहे. त्याच्यामध्ये 3 पार्ट्स आहेत, अल्कलॉइड्स, विटॅमिन्स आणि पेस्टिसाइड्स. पेस्टिसाइड्सवर एकंदरीत 2 प्रश्न तुम्हाला विचारू शकतात. एक, व्हॉट आर पेस्टिसाइड्स अँड हाऊ आर दे क्लासिफाईड, आणि दुसरा प्रश्न म्हणजे सिंथेसिस अँड युजेस ऑफ सम इम्पॉर्टंट पेस्टिसाइड्स. Now in the first part we had discussed what are pesticides and how are they classified. In the second part we will discuss some synthesis and uses of some pesticides. Now in the first part we had discussed about what are pesticides and how are they classified. Now in this we will discuss synthesis and uses of some pesticides, but we will revise the previous part once again. The insects, fungi, weeds and rodents destroy crops and stored food grains. As already we come to know that pests, that is insects, fungi, weeds and rodents, destroy crops and stored food grains. In order to control these pests, that is insects, fungi, weeds and rodents, various inorganic and organic chemicals are used. Such chemicals are commonly called as pesticides. Therefore we can define pesticide in general way as any substance or mixture of substances intended for preventing, destroying or controlling insects, fungi and weeds including rats, causing harm to standing crops or stored food grains and agricultural products are called as pesticides. A very precise definition is given here as per your examination is concerned. Now we'll see synthesis and uses of some pesticides which are for your syllabus. The first one is 2,4-D, that is 2,4-dichlorophenoxyacetic acid. Its synthesis is very simple. When 2,4-dichlorophenol is heated with chloroacetic acid, then 2,4-dichlorophenoxyacetic acid is formed. Very simple reaction is there between 2,4-dichlorophenol and chloroacetic acid to give the product that is 2,4-D. Now we'll see its uses. That is 2,4-D-dichlorophenoxyacetic acid is a well-known herbicide. That means it can be used as herbicide. Actually 2,4-D is primarily used as a selective herbicide which kills many terrestrial and aquatic broadleaf weeds but not grasses. 2,4-D is the first chemical herbicide which was discovered during the Second World War. In agriculture, it was the first herbicide found to be capable of selectively killing weeds but not the crop. Now the second one, that is DDT, that is 2,2-bis-4-chlorophenyl 1,1,1-trichloroethane, which is called as commonly known as DDT, as para-paradiche-dichlorodiphenyl trichloroethane. The name is because dichloro D, diphenyl D, trichloroethane, that is DDT. Now we'll see its synthesis, how it is synthesized. DDT is prepared by the condensation of 1 mole of chloral with 2 moles of monochlorobenzene in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. That means DDT, for the preparation of DDT we require chloral and monochlorobenzene, 2 moles of monochlorobenzene and 1 mole of chloral condenses to give DDT, which is called as 2,4-dichlorodiphenyl trichloroethane. How it is used or what are uses of DDT? that we will see here. It is widely used as a household and agricultural insecticide to control insects including flies, mosquitoes, bedbugs, etc. You can see here household insects. DDT is one of many tools to fight this disease malaria. DDTचा जनरली आता सध्याच्या काळामध्ये मलेरियाच्या डिसीजमध्ये जास्त वापर होतो. In the 1960s, it was discovered that DDT was preventing many fish-eating birds from reproducing, which was a serious threat to biodiversity. The agricultural use of DDT is now banned under the Stockholm Convention on Persisting Organic Pollutants, but it is still used in some developing nations to prevent malaria and other tropical diseases by spraying on interior walls to kill or repel mosquitoes. Here you can understand that what are uses of DDT? DDT is nothing but a well-known insecticide, and second one, it is used against malaria. Now we will see the third pesticide which is there for our syllabus, that is benzene hexachloride. Its synthesis is very simple. Chlorination of benzene, you can see here, benzene is chlorinated in the presence of ultraviolet light to give BHC. Very simple chlorination of benzene is given here. That means BHC's preparation is very simple. We will see its uses. It is again one of the important insecticides commonly used against the disease carrying insects, households and horticultural pests. It is used as an agricultural pesticide, BHC. That means there are two uses here. What is the first one is it is used against the common disease carrying insects, household and agricultural pests, and it is used as an agricultural pest. Now the fourth one, that is methoxychlor, IUPAC name of which is 111-trichloro-2,2-bis 4-methoxyphenyl ethane. मित्रांनो या ठिकाणी एक लक्षात ठेवा की लाल अक्षरामध्ये जे दिलेले आहेत ते IUPAC नेम्स आहेत. मिथॉक्सिक्लोरचा IUPAC नेम आहे 111-trichloro-2,2-bis 4-methoxyphenyl ethane. We will see its synthesis. It is prepared by the condensation of anisole, methoxybenzene with chloral in the presence of concentrated H2SO4. There should not be 4 here. 4 is not necessary. It is only methoxybenzene. It is prepared by the condensation of methoxybenzene, that is anisole, with chloral in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. Very simple reaction is given here. Anisole reacting with chloral to give methoxychlor. This is similar reaction to preparation of DDT. In DDT there is chlorine here, and in this reaction there is methoxy group is here, that is methoxybenzene. In DDT preparation we used chlorobenzene. That is the main difference between these two reactions. Now I will see the next one, that is methoxychlor, para-paradash dimethoxy diphenyl trichloroethane. Methoxychlor is a contact Now here we will see the uses of methoxychlor. Uses of methoxychlor are very simple again. It is found that it is nothing but again one of the important insecticides. Methoxychlor is a contact and stomach insecticide effective against a wide range of pests encountering in agriculture, households and ornamental planting. It is registered for use on fruits, vegetables, forage crops and on shade trees. It is again also registered for veterinary use as a poison to kill parasites on dairy and beef cattle. These are three uses of methoxychlore, but here one important notice is there. That is, methoxychlore was used to protect crops, ornamentals, livestock, and pets against fleas, mosquitoes, cockroaches, and other insects. It was intended to be a replacement for DDT but has since been banned for use as a pesticide based on its acute toxicity, bioaccumulation, and endocrine disruption activity. Now the next one, that is carbaryl, 1-naphthyl methyl carbamate. First of all, we will see its synthesis. Very simple reaction is there again. The treatment of methyl isocyanate with 1-naphthol gives carbaryl. What is reaction? In short, we will see. There are two steps given here. Methylamine reacting with chloroformate to give methyl isocyanate. In the first reaction, we are for preparing methyl isocyanate. Methyl isocyanate is reacting with 1-naphthol and there is formation of carbaryl. Carbaryl is obtained. Alternative method is also there for the preparation of carbaryl. 1-naphthol is first converted to its chloroformate, which is then treated with methylamine to give carbaryl. See here, there is a reaction, first reaction between 1-naphthol, which is converted into naphthol chloroformate, which is then reacted with methylamine to give carbaryl. Carbaryl formation is there. 1-naphthol chloroformate, which is formed in the first step, reacts with methylamine to give carbaryl. Now we'll see some uses of carbaryl. Carbaryl, that is 1-naphthyl methyl carbamate, is a chemical in the carbamate family used chiefly as an insecticide. Again, it is one of the insecticides, that is carbaryl. It is the active ingredient in Caryl shampoo used to combat head lice until infestation is eliminated. It is a white crystalline solid commonly sold under the brand name Savin, a trademark of Bayer company. Now here the last pesticide is monocrotophos, which is for your syllabus. Its IUPAC name is dimethyl 1-methyl-2-methyl carbamoyl vinyl phosphate, that is monocrotophos. What is its synthesis? How it is synthesized? We will see here. It is a long reaction, not longest, long reaction given here. By reacting these, we can prepare our monocrotophos. The reaction is given here. Now we'll see its uses. What are uses of monocrotophos? As we know, again it is one of the important insecticide, but now it is organophosphate insecticide, principally used in agriculture as a relative chief pesticide. Monocrotophos is an organophosphate insecticide, ॲग्रिकल्चरल पेस्टिसाइड म्हणून याचा आपण वापर करतो, दॅट इज मोनोक्रोटोफॉस. It is acutely toxic to birds and humans, so it has been banned in the US. and many other countries. However, it is still available in India. Dear friends, here we had seen two parts in two videos. In the first video, we had seen what are pesticides and how are they classified, and in this video, we had seen what are different preparation methods of different pesticides and what are their uses. That means in the examination, there may be a question, what are pesticides and how are they classified? Second question may be, give synthesis and uses of following pesticides. Any two or three pesticides may be asked in the examination for its synthesis and its uses. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, अतिशय सोपा असा हा युनिट आहे. या युनिटमध्ये 2 पॉईंट्स आहेत. व्हॉट आर पेस्टिसाइड्स अँड हाऊ आर दे क्लासिफाईड, म्हणजे पेस्टिसाइडचं इंट्रोडक्शन आणि क्लासिफिकेशन. दुसरा पार्ट जो आहे तो सिंथेसिस अँड युजेस ऑफ पेस्टिसाइडचा आहे. जर तुम्हाला काही प्रश्न असतील तर तुम्ही माझ्या वैयक्तिक व्हॉट्सअप नंबरवर तुम्ही मला प्रश्न तुमचे विचारू शकता. परंतु मला असं वाटत नाही की या टॉपिकमध्ये काही अवघड आहे. अतिशय सोपा असा टॉपिक आहे. पेस्टिसाइड्स म्हणजे काय, जे केमिकल्स पेस्टच्या अगेन्स्ट वापरतो दे आर कॉल्ड ॲज पेस्टिसाइड्स. देर आर 4 टाईप्स ऑफ पेस्टिसाइड्स: इन्सेक्टिसाइड, फंजिसाइड, हर्बिसाइड अँड रोडेंटिसाइड. At the same time, there are 6 pesticides given for your synthesis and their uses. Most of them are insecticides, therefore it is very easy to remember their uses. Only herbicide is 2,4-D. Others are all insecticides. Thank you very much.